Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from and whenever you're watching the video. This is CELINE Design. So this is one of the projects we just recently completed in Edo State. This is a classroom actually, a classroom for the Nigerian Army in Edo State, precisely Santi Barracks. So this is a project we just completed in one of the classrooms for the military. So that was before and this is after. This is after we did the design, simple, and what can you say, beautiful. So that's it. That is it. So contacts for all your interior design projects, just place a call on WhatsApp or you can just send a DM. So let's come there and put that space of yours to its best appearance. So thank you for watching this video and don't forget to come back for more because we got you covered.